Do you regret anything?
Nothing today.
Aside laughter from the gallery continues, interspersed with chuckles from the judge.
Why is the jury smiling?
Contagious.
What's your motive?
Joy.
Oh, that's great. All right. Let's bring it back.
Why are the cameras even rolling right now?
They sensed it.
All right. I guess that answers that.
Mr. Verde, do you feel guilty?
Guilty of being charming?
Order. Let's try to keep this serious as much as we can.
Are you finished?
For now.
Should we adjourn?
After blood.
Should we adjourn?
After blood.
Court is in session.
Front row.
Are you enjoying this?
Immensely.
Order. Well, sort of.
Do you respect the court?
Love the robes.
Order.
Why are you smiling?
Got acoustics.
All right.
Mr. Featherstone, why are people clapping?
Instinct.
Oh my goodness.
Should I be concerned?
Only briefly.
Are you always like this?
In public.
Are you always like this?
In public.
What should I write down?
Historic moment.
Well, I suppose it is.
Do you take orders?
Suggestions.
Are you done speaking?
Almost.
Excuse me?
Almost.
Oh, that's good.
Is this a performance?
Unplanned.
Why are you here today?
Audience demand.
Any objections?
Only boredom.
The courtroom laughs loudly, with chuckles and hearty guffaws echoing.
Order, if we can manage it.
Why are people smiling?
Side effects.
Laughter from the crowd building into hearty chuckles.
Noted.
Are you mocking this court?
Respectfully. Respectfully.
Do you have a lawyer, Mr. Parrot?
I wing it.
Mr. Rio, why should this court believe you're an expert witness?
Natural talent.
Any final words?
You're welcome.
Are you distracting the jury?
Unintentionally.
Mr. Parrot, do you understand court etiquette?
I improvise.
Do you understand these charges?
Emotionally, no.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Mostly.
Oh, that's all right. Settle down. Settle down, everyone. Let's see where this goes.
Are you prepared to testify?
Always.
Is this a serious matter?
For you.
Excuse me?
For you.
Why won't you sit still?
Suspense.
Order, if we can manage it.
What is your defense? Charm.
Do you take this seriously?
Right, Eric.
What's your statement?
I regret nothing.
All right, let's bring it back.
Are you nervous?
Nervous?
Never on record. All right.
Do you know where you are?
Center stage.